This music is from a Nia routine called Resilience. So let's bring that into this movement.
I was feeling down.
Fingers.
Till you came around. Lost under the clouds.
Make the connection. Yeah.
Only gray skies. I know they always say this never happens, but it
Maybe the connection is with the sky, with the earth. Now let's open it up. I hope. And then swirl. I hope. I hope. To your heart. Now find a walk around. Could be on the balls of your feet or whole foot. Want to go out, honey? Feel your feet on the earth. Yes. Connection. Feel that connection above through your palms. Ready for the I hope. I hope. Swirl. Doesn't have to be big. Find a path around your room. Where have you come from? Where are you going to? Most important though, where are you right now? Present. If you like, I hope. Sing it with me. I hope. I hope.